According to the website The Crazy Coupon Lady, stacking coupons or using 2 coupons on one item is legit, providing the coupons are from different sources, like combining a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon. Well, store coupons come in the mail all the time. Here, in no particular order, are 7 website searches you should try to stack up on the harder to find manufacturer coupons. 2 largest sources are coupons.com and smartsource.com. Coupons.com pretty much has it all, even groceries and a handy app. Both offer manufacturer coupons for online shopping and print for in-store. If there is a particular brand you're looking into, search that brand's website. Example, Hormel, One A Day, and Splenda all offer their own coupons. Corporations that own multiple brands like Procter & Gamble or General Mills also offer coupons. Next in line are retail websites and their apps. Walgreens, Kroger, and Target, just to name a few, offer manufacturer coupons. And finally, the website that is trying to rule the grocery kingdom, Lozo.com. Lozo claims that it corrals grocery coupons from all over the net so you don't have to. There you can search by brand or category. There you have it. Happy coupon stacking, my friends. I'm Aaron Freeman. Thanks for watching Money Talks News.